Hello and welcome back. So we're now going to talk all about the SEO or search engine optimization checklist. So this is something you can follow along whilst optimizing your website for SEO and search engines and all that. So yeah, there's 3 different checklists that I found online which I think are absolutely awesome and really great to use. So I'm just going to talk you through them and I'll link them in the resources section of this course. So first of all, we have Search Engine Journal by Neil Patel. He has done on the 23rd of May 2016 SEO checklist for website owners. Now, as you can see, if you scroll down, he says he's organized it into 3 sections: basic SEO, keywords and on-page SEO, and then content optimization. As you can see, we've got the basic SEO checklist, which goes down quite far. And then, as you can see, we just go down and then we have on-page SEO. And if you keep going down, we then have content optimization. This is a really helpful SEO checklist to have, and it's always helpful to have there just so that it can be by your side so you could use it whenever you need to use it. So yeah, that's absolutely perfect, and that helps so you never miss a thing when you're optimizing your website. And then we have clickminded.com, and this has been written by, not too sure, it doesn't say at the top, it'll probably say at the bottom, so I'll give them a shout out at the bottom. But this is another really great one. As you can see, this was July 2017, so this one is a lot more recent. And then this one you can actually tick and untick what you've done or not done. It's like a proper checklist, this one. So the more you tick, the more percent you've completed. So as you can see, if I untick this one, it's on 3%. If I tick it, 7%. And if I keep scrolling down and ticking them, as you can see, the percent I've completed goes up and up and up. So that is absolutely awesome. Here we go, they're saying using WordPress, install the free version of Yoast SEO. And then here we go, using WordPress, get a WordPress Google Analytics plugin so you can see the analytics data. So that is absolutely awesome. So this is another really good checklist. And then finally, we have one more, which is by localseochecklist.org. And this is more of a local SEO checklist. So if you're a local business and you want local people to find your business online, this is another great thing to use. This is a great checklist. And this is a lot better. Well, I love the way this one's laid out. It looks really good and modern. And once again, if you tick ones you've done like so, it shows that you've completed more at the top. There's a bar that goes along the top, this green bar here. And as you can see, the more I tick, the more the bar is covered in green. So that is absolutely awesome. It's got really simple little items on this checklist. And of course, you can tick them off once you've done them, untick them if you've not done them. And then it also gives you a little bit of data if you click read more on each one. So as you can see, each of these, most of these have a little website or link attached to them. Duplicate content. Check if your website is duplicate content. Just click this and then just copy and paste the link to your website. And that is all you need to do. And then click go. And then that will just do it all for you. So yeah, that one is absolutely awesome. If I just click back, and here we go. So this is the entire list. It's a great one. It's great to use. It's absolutely awesome. So that's SEO checklist. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot from it. And I hope you had fun. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.